Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about the iPhone XR. The iPhone XR was released in 2018 and quickly became a popular choice for iPhone users. Even though it has been a few years since its release, the iPhone XR still holds its own and is a great option for those in the market for a new phone. So, without further ado, let's dive into what makes the iPhone XR so great. The iPhone XR features a sleek, modern design that is available in 6 different colors: black, white, blue, coral, yellow, and product red. The phone is constructed of durable glass and aluminum, making it both stylish and sturdy. One thing that sets the iPhone XR apart from other iPhones is that it has a liquid retina display that stretches from edge to edge, providing a more immersive experience when watching videos or playing games. The iPhone XR features a single 12-megapixel camera that produces stunning photos and videos. It also has portrait mode, which allows you to take professional-looking photos with blurred backgrounds. The front-facing camera is a 7-megapixel true depth camera that has portrait mode, as well as a variety of other features, like animojis and memojis. The iPhone XR is powered by Apple's A12 Bionic chip, which provides lightning-fast performance and is able to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The phone also features Face ID, which uses facial recognition technology to unlock the phone and authenticate purchases. The iPhone XR has impressive battery life, with up to 15 hours of internet usage and up to 25 hours of talk time. This means that you won't have to worry about constantly charging your phone throughout the day. Overall, the iPhone XR is a great phone that has a lot to offer. From its modern design to its impressive camera and performance, it's no wonder that it's still a popular choice among iPhone users. If you're in the market for a new phone and don't want to spend a fortune, the iPhone XR is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.